I attended Alex Hormozi's $5,000 2-day workshop. I mean, in this workshop, and again, I don't know if I can even share this stuff. I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm allowed to share this stuff. I thought I was a shark, you know. I thought I was, doing some stuff, right? I've built 3 multi-million-dollar businesses, right? I built a home healthcare company to over $1 million. I built my government contracting business to a little over $4.5 million in revenue. And I've also built my coaching business to over $1 million, right? So I'm thinking I'm top stuff. Do you guys know the quality of that room? First of all, the average business owner in there is doing $3 million or more a year, and 25% of that room is doing 10 million plus. I'm always invested in myself. Again, I'm not here to impress you or anything by I spent $5,000 to spend 2 days with this person. I'm not here I'm not trying to impress you. What I'm trying to impress upon you is you want to get into different rooms. You want to get into some powerful rooms. I attended Alex Hormozi's $5,000 2-day workshop. $5,000 2-day workshop. And I want to give you guys my biggest takeaway from the workshop. Now, as you guys can see, I'm at the hotel. It's a huge mess, so I'm not going to go over the room. I'm not giving you a room tour or nothing like that. I ain't that type of dude. But this workshop, guys, if you're considering scaling your businesses or you're considering scaling what you're doing, I can highly recommend it. First of all, I can highly recommend it. I know this is like, what is going to be a controversial, post? Not really. I'm going to tell you, this is the workbook that they gave us. This workbook is probably like an easy 50 to 80 pages probably. And I want to go over some key takeaways from this workshop. Now, if you guys have been following me for any given time, you know that I teach government contracting, right? You know that that's what I do. That's my bread and butter. This workshop was all about how to scale your business and even how to scale your business to the point that maybe you can even sell. I mean, in this workshop, and again, I don't know if I can even share this stuff. I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm allowed to share this stuff. I'm gonna do it until I get a I get a letter in the mail that says, take this off YouTube. But the type of stuff that they shared, man. I mean, EBITDA, revenue growth, yearly revenue retention, EBITDA margin, your lifetime value, your CAC, the type of stuff that you guys are learning in this room is a different level. Now, if you guys don't know, obviously for me, I thought I was a shark, I thought I was, doing some stuff, right? I've built 3 multi-million-dollar businesses, right? I built a home healthcare company to over $1 million. I built my government contracting business to a little over $4.5 million in revenue. And I've also built my coaching business to over $1 million, right? So I'm thinking I'm top stuff. Do you guys know the quality of that room? First of all, the average business owner in there is doing $3 million or more a year, and 25% of that room is doing 10 million plus. I mean, the guy I was sitting next to me, shout out to Chris if you're watching this, the guy that was sitting next to me, we're talking about, what he does. He helps, he teaches English, or he helps people pass an English speaking test. And that's what he does. But he was telling me hey, Wesley, I'm in Dubai, every 3 months. Could I go there to record on my content? I was like, wait, you fly to Dubai every 3 months to do your podcast and content? He's like, yeah, because, I'd have to go there for a week, get it all said and done. And I'm like, okay, well, let me check out your YouTube. You must have some, the fly to Dubai. I check out this guy's YouTube. Shout out to Chris. 2.5 million subscribers. I said, what? Who am I sitting next to? The quality of that room is next level. But I know you guys why did I click on this video? I wanted you to click on this video is because I wanted to just kind of, share with you guys my feedback from my point of view. For me, I kind of went there to learn about how to scale my coaching business. But you know what's funny? Everyone I met in that room was not a coach. Now, I'm not saying coaches don't go, but I met a person who had multiple gyms. I met people who had roofing companies. I met people who had bathroom remodeling companies. I met people who bought and sold businesses. The person, shout out to the people in Miami who buy and sell businesses. I thought that they coach people on how to buy and sell business. They was like, nah, we kind of want to get into coaching, but no, all we do is buy and sell businesses. And we did 3 million last year. I said, what? These people, there's not even coaches in there, y'all. So anyway, I guess if I can help you guys out in your business and what you're doing, it's like this page right here. I don't know if I can even see that. This page right here. So take a screenshot, stop the video if you can want to see it. It talked about building your business so that you can actually sell it. It talked about revenue, EBITDA, revenue growth, yearly revenue retention, EBITDA margin, lifetime value, CAC, key man risk, key client risk, single channel risk, market risk, and data risk. And it actually says in what order to do it. So I'm not Alex Hormozi, so I'm not going to go here and even try to teach this stuff. But I will tell you, as a business owner who's built multiple $1 million businesses, y'all, I'm always invested in myself. Again, I'm not here to impress you or anything by I spent $5,000 to spend 2 days with this person. I'm not here I'm not trying to impress you, but I'm trying to impress upon you is you want to get into different rooms. You want to get into some powerful rooms. Shout out to everyone in that room. There was like almost 80 people, I want to say, maybe 60 to 80 people in that room. And everyone in that room is doing 3 million plus. Y'all, amazing room. Also, I mean, obviously I don't have any kickbacks. This is not an affiliate video. Shout out to Alex Hormozi. Because I was there, I also got 2 books. Guess what? Signed by Alex himself. So that's kind of cool. So when you get there, you get to spend some time with Alex. So as you can see, I got the $100 million leads. Now I've already read this book. If you haven't read this book and you have any type of business, you're a government contracting business, or you're just in coaching or any business you have, $100 million leads will change your life. $100 million offers. Now, obviously, if you're in government contracting, you don't really need $100 million offers. Your offer is government contracting. But let's say I have a lot of people that follow me on YouTube now or on social media who actually just entrepreneurs. So if you're just an entrepreneur, you want to become an online coach, you want to start doing YouTube, TikTok, you want to start selling your expertise, $100 million offers. This is the first book. And he actually has the 3rd book coming out, which is, I don't know the title yet, but I can tell you that we know a little bit. I can't disclose anything, but we know a little bit from attending the event. So anyway, guys, I don't want to make this too long. I just want to say that I'm always invested in myself. And because I want to always take myself to the next level. And the reason I wanted to just shoot this quick video as I just got, like, I'm still here in Vegas, like literally, you can't see it from this room, but if you look out the window, this hotel is like literally 10 minutes from the office, acquisition.com. And I'm actually going back to the office tomorrow morning. I got a meeting with his team to hear about the next step in his program. Now, if you guys are curious, you're like, Wesley, I've heard about acquisition.com. I've heard about these workshops. Like, what happens next? I'm just going to disclose. They have obviously an offer in which they meet with you to help you scale your business. Now, again, he says it's about $35,000 to get into that offer as of today, but more than likely it's going to be like $60,000. He said down the road, and that's after some discounts and stuff like that. But again, I'm not. By the way, y'all, I do not work for Alex Hormozi. I'm not here to sell you. If you do sign up, though, mention my name. Maybe I get a kickback. But anyway, it's like $35,000. You meet twice a year, and then like they coach you and help you and all that still stuff. I know I have a lot of mentors and a lot of things. Like if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've easily spent over $250,000 already in mentorship and coaching and people I have in my camp. So as of right now, I'm not with Alex, but we'll see. We'll see. I got a meeting tomorrow back at the office. You know, they wanted to talk more about some things. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share. I wanted to share acquisition.com. Again, I'm not trying to promote it. I'm just trying to say that I'm always trying to, lift myself up and get myself better. And you guys should too. And by the way, you have to apply to be in this room. I know people who applied to be in this room who couldn't be in this room because you actually got to meet a certain threshold. So even if you wanted to get into the Skilling Shop room, your business has got to be doing a certain amount of money for you to be able to get into this room. So anyway, that was an amazing workshop. Amazing time. This video is probably going to be posted down the road, but either way it goes, I get to see my team. I'm bringing my whole team out here to Vegas. We're going to network. We're going to, do some team building and we're going to plan out our next year, depending on when you watch this video. Maybe you're watching this in 2025. You know, we got 2025 mapped out, and maybe whenever this is probably going to be posted in 2025 now I think about it. But either way it goes, we're mapping out 2025 now. I'm getting together with my team, and I wish you guys the amazing 2025, depending when you're watching this. Maybe it's already 2025. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Do you want to know how to make 6 and 7 figures a year in government contracting? Do you want to know how to actually do the middleman strategy and work with me and my team of coaches? If you do, all you got to do is book a phone call with us. You can book a phone call at www.thecontractingblueprint.com. It should be on the screen somewhere, maybe above me. www.thecontractingblueprint.com is also linked below. So what we'll do is we'll do a free 45-minute to hour phone call. I take some of the phone calls as I can. My team members take the phone calls. And what we'll do is we'll make sure you understand the middleman strategy, and it will tell you about our services. If we're a good fit for you, if you're a good fit for us, we hope so. If we are, then we'll help you guys win your first contract as well. So if you're interested, book a free phone call at the link above or below, and I'll see you guys there. All right, peace.